situations where cash expenditure of 10,000 Indian rupees and above would not be disallowed under Income Tax Act. With recent changes in budget, cash expenditure limit has been brought down from 20,000 Indian rupees to 10,000 Indian rupees. However, as per Rule 60D of income tax, for following transaction this limit won't apply. Where the payment is made to RBI, banks as defined under Banking Act 1949, State Bank of India and subsidiaries, cooperative bank, land mortgage bank, any primary agricultural society or lic. Point to be noted. This exception applies only for the direct payment to the banks or institutions, not to the accounts maintained in banks. Where the payment is made to the government and, under the rules framed by it, such payment is required to be made in legal tender. Where the payment is made by any letter of credit arrangements through a bank, a mail or telegraphic transfer through a bank, a book adjustment from any account in a bank to any other account in that or any other bank, a bill of exchange made payable only to a bank, the use of electronic clearing system through a bank account, a credit card, a debit card. Where the payment is made by way of adjustment against the amount of any liability incurred by the payee for any goods supplied or services rendered by the assessee to such payee. Where the payment is made for the purchase of agricultural or forest produce, the produce of animal husbandry or dairy or poultry farming, fish or fish products, and the products of horticulture or apiculture to the cultivator, grower or producer of such articles, produce or products. Where the payment is made for the purchase of the products manufactured or processed without the aid of power in a cottage industry, to the producer of such products. Where the payment is made in a village or town, which on the date of such payment is not served by any bank, to any person who ordinarily resides, or is carrying on any business, profession or vocation, in any such village or town. Where any payment is made to an employee of the assessee or the heir of any such employee, on or in connection with the retirement, retrenchment, resignation, discharge or death of such employee, on account of gratuity, retrenchment compensation or similar terminal benefit, and the aggregate of such sums payable to the employee or his heir does not exceed 50,000 rupees. Where the payment is made by an assessee by way of salary to his employee after deducting the income tax from salary in accordance with the provisions of Section 192 of the Act, and when such employee is temporarily posted for a continuous period of 15 days or more in a place other than his normal place of duty or on a ship and does not maintain any account in any bank at such place or ship. Where the payment was required to be made on a day on which the banks were closed either on account of holiday or strike. Where the payment is made by any person to his agent 71 who is required to make payment in cash for goods or services on behalf of such person. Where the payment is made by an authorized dealer or a money changer against purchase of foreign currency or traveler's checks in the normal course of his business.